Alright guys, today we are finally getting the intake manifold and the wideband installed. As you can see, you got the big ass box. The baby seat had to come out because the box is so long it wouldn't fit in the truck without the baby seat. I didn't want to put it in the bed because it's kind of raining and it snowed yesterday, so there's snow on the bed. So that's today's game plan. I don't know how long this install is going to take. Steve, my mechanic said this will take about a half an hour. The wideband probably a little bit longer. I'd say an hour or so. Got to run a lot of wires and drill a hole in the wide pipe and all this and that. So yeah, I'll show you the install and how everything goes, and then I'll show you everything when it's done, and I'll tell you my reaction on how it feels. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to go wide open throttle today because it is pouring rain out right now, or not pouring out, but it's raining right now. And the roads are soaked. So stay tuned.
His monkey's green, but not that green.
Tito was cool though.
Yeah, he was a cool dude.
He's the one that hit me up a while ago, right? On you, and then I, got in contact with you, right? Who through the comments? I mean.
You didn't get back to me right away with him.
Oh,
I saw his comment.
Okay.
He goes, I just wish Nick would do more content and stuff like that. I really like his videos. Like,
I try, man. It's hard. I work.
You gotta give him time, dude. He goes, yeah, I know. I was like, just wait till racing season.
Yeah. Me and Nas were just talking. Yeah, talking about that. We're just waiting until racing season's coming back out, and doing what I can right now with the snow every goddamn week.
I know. Trust me. I hate it. I'm tired.
As soon as we get good weather, all of a sudden it snows, and I get off of work because I work outside, and I can't.
I'll find it.
I can't do nothing about that.
I know. I'm stuck here every time it snows in the plow.
Out with the old, huh, Steve?
Yep. Yes. Because it does. Oh my God. Fuel lines.
That's fuel lines?
Yeah.
What about red stuff?
This is grease.
Car.
Yeah, that's what we do.
Yeah.
That video.
Is it nice? Jack, don't sit on the floor. I'm tired of this intake, man.
Tired of it already?
Yeah.
I think the longest part was you switching the parts over.
I know. I told you they're easy. Finding places to lean under the hood.
It's all good.
Leverage sucks. But
Lean wherever you want.
your engine's still hot, by the way.
I bet it is. I drove an hour here. About 45, 50 minutes.
Is that how long it takes you?
Yeah.
Don't worry. I'm in the process of trying to get a shop built.
Really?
At my house.
Nice.
30 by 50.
With a lift and all, huh?
Putting 2 lifts in.
2 lifts?
Hello. 1 minute. Luckily something under here is clean.
The newest part.
Yeah. Really can't even tell we were ever in this motor.
Nah.
Need this one. I'll have a brake booster.
What's up?
Need this one. Gotta have a brake booster.
And the manifold's in.
Finally. After all 5 minutes.
Yes. 5 minutes out, 5 minutes in. People are probably wondering why we have a clamp. Well, because not everyone has access to a TIG welder.
Yeah.
That's exactly why. And if God forbid anything ever happens, then I'll find access. And the hole's already there. Just take it out, put the thing in, and weld it. But yes, AEM makes a clamp for their wideband, in case you people didn't know.
It helps. And of course, Walter's got one of my paint pens.
Oh, I see it, yeah. Yeah.
What's that? Quick cleanup. Can't even see it.
No. You need to be.
There we go.
Ta-da!
Much better.
Much better.
You got it, sir.
You got it, sir.
You stink.
You see a hole? There.
Yep. I just gotta get my.
Just get your angle, yep. This is how you do it without taking the wide pipe off.
Good thing I drove it.
Get ahead. What does that mean?
Come apart now. Dare you.
I dare you.
It's not going to. I think it's afraid now.
And this is the AEM wideband clamp. Steve's buying a welder just so he can do it next time.
There, gasket's in place.
It's there, gasket's in place, very nice.
Voltage.
Gotcha.
Instead of O2 sensors,
Yeah.
use actual voltage from the computer.
A lot easier to do this sitting in your backyard, though, I'll tell you that much.
Well, yeah. Well, in reality, if you had jack stands and you had this little clamp, you could definitely do this.
Yeah.
It's in, Nick.
I love it.
You're just gonna go hang out at my mom's.
Wideband install right there here. Yeah, he's telling me something. It's hard to really.
Something about a car.
What we got here, Steve? Oh my God!
Yeah. Carpet's nice and clean under here.
Oh, after you took it off? From here, I'm not sitting down, so it's hard to tell. But
It looks fine.
looks fine? It looks fine to me.
I like it.
Alright, if you like it, I like it. Whose head is this?
Huh? Oh. Maybe people. Guys, can you stop messing with him?
Alright guys, this is the finished product. Everything's installed, everything's good. This is just an idle. I don't know what it is at wide open throttle. It is still wet out, so I'm not really going to test it too much. But I'm very happy. Thanks Steve for doing it all. And everything came out very clean, very nice. He is the man. And there it is for you.